Hello friends. In this video, I will bring you a new HyperOS theme of Chinese region. I will also show you how to personalize your theme, even if you don't know Chinese language. This theme only available Chinese theme store now, but in this video, I will share you how to install this theme on your global device. On lock screen, swipe down to enter custom text like this. You can change to any text if you want. Set any emoji on this position. Now, let's install and customize this theme. Now, we will start installing this theme on Chinese theme store for global theme store. First, you need a file containing theme. The file is about 150 megabytes. You can find this in video description. After you downloaded file into your device, open Settings app, My Device and go to Backup and Restore Features. Uncheck all. Only check Theme app to backup at this screen. After completed backup, exit and open Theme app to check your themes. Example, I have 5 of themes here. Now return to downloaded file, copy file to the path. Select latest date folder file backup. Paste downloaded file into here and replace it. Return to backup and restore features. Restore tab. Select latest backup to restore. Exit and open Theme app to check new theme. New theme has appeared. The themes in the device still stay the same. Theme app still global version. Maybe you must sign out your Miui account to apply theme. Disable show ads. Now that we have successfully installed theme, we'll go to personalize theme. Don't skip it. Double tap to custom lock screen. Click here to change smart ring style. If your device not available smart ring, keep watching. Click this to add more smart ring, like Huawei Mate 60 Pro. Click here to custom color of smart ring. Custom lock screen widgets. Reset default. Text widgets, keep watching to create your text. Widgets under clock. Left widgets. Right widgets. Change position widgets or reset default. Standby mode. Keep watching to add your text. Confirm. Next, custom depth effect wallpaper. Theme has 8 default wallpapers. Enable or disable depth effect. Add your wallpaper. This is my wallpaper I added. Open Theme app. Customize lock style theme. Add your wallpaper into here. This is Folder Wallpapers features. With Change Depth Effect Lock Screen Wallpaper. To set up, open Miui File Manager. Create new folder with name BG. Copy all wallpapers into here. You can find wallpapers in video description. After that, you can use Folder Wallpaper features. Or return to this wallpaper. Next, custom any emoji in this position. Enter any emoji into here to show on lock screen. Enable this button. Change this text default is Chinese. Enter any text you want. Enable all of this. This button set blurred home screen wallpaper. Blurred effect in home screen wallpaper. This button to enable dock bar in home screen. Dock bar enable. Change phone name in battery widget. This change text widgets. This custom text in standby mode. Enter any text you want. We have done installing and customizing theme. I hope you will like this theme. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.